Good morning students, this is 10th English medium chemistry chapter 3 metals and non-metals. I have sent you the video of physical property of metals and non-metals. In this video we will discuss about chemical properties of metals. In this topic, first reaction of metals with oxygen. So when metal react with oxygen in the presence of air to form metal oxide, and this is basic oxide. Let's see the example of this type of reaction. When sodium react with oxygen to form sodium oxide, sodium oxide, this is basic oxide, and this is sodium react with oxygen in the presence in air. Next, when potassium react with oxygen to form potassium oxide, this is potassium oxide. It is also basic oxide, and this is potassium react with oxygen in air. When magnesium react with air, magnesium does not react with air at room temperature. Magnesium can react with oxygen at high temperature. So magnesium react with oxygen, react with hot oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide, it is basic oxide, and this is magnesium react with hot oxygen, or when magnesium heated with oxygen, next, when aluminium react with oxygen, when aluminium react with oxygen to form aluminium oxide, this is aluminium oxide. This is also basic oxide, when zinc react with oxygen, zinc is strongly heated in the presence of oxygen, strong heat to form zinc oxide. This is zinc oxide. It is also basic oxide and it is zinc. So these examples of reaction of metal with oxygen. Next point, reaction of metal with water. Reaction of metal with water. This is 2. Metal react with water to form metal hydroxide and hydrogen. This is first, this is second. Metal react with steam to form metal oxide and hydrogen. First example, when potassium react with water to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas and evolve the heat. This is potassium hydroxide. This is cold water. Second point, when sodium react with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. This is sodium hydroxide. It is strong base. It is also cold water. Your third point is when calcium react with water to form calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. This symbol shows that this is gas and heat. This is calcium hydroxide. This is also cold water. Next, when magnesium react with water, here focus that magnesium does not react with cold water. So magnesium react with hot water. To form magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen. magnesium hydroxide. When magnesium react with steam to form magnesium oxide plus hydrogen. Magnesium oxide plus hydrogen. Next, when aluminium react with steam to form aluminium oxide. When aluminium react with steam to form aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas. This is also steam. Your next example is when zinc react with steam to form zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. Zinc react with steam to form zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. So these examples are reaction of metals with water. Your next topic is reaction of metals with dilute acid. Dilute acid. Dilute acid. And your example is, first metal react with dilute acid to form metal salt and hydrogen. And your example is when sodium react with hydrochloric acid. This is dilute. Hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride. It is the metallic salt and hydrogen gas will be evolved. Second, when magnesium react with hydrochloric acid to form MgCl2, magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. This is also dilute hydrochloric acid. Third point, when aluminium react with hydrochloric acid to form This is balanced equation. When aluminium react with hydrochloric acid to form aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride and hydrogen gas will be evolved. Next, when zinc react with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. This is also dilute. Next, when iron react with hydrochloric acid, iron chloride and hydrogen gas will be formed. This is iron second chloride, and this is dilute. Next, when copper react with hydrochloric acid, there will be no reaction, because in reactivity series copper is more reactive, copper is less reactive than hydrogen. So this is not possible reaction, means copper does not react with hydrochloric acid, so there will be no reaction. Thank you so very much.